Budget 2026-27 update part 2. So today we are going to discuss about capital gains tax discount. We all know that there was a capital gains tax discount which was 50%, which means that on the sale of the property the total gain made from that asset is discounted by half, and you only pay tax on half of the profit but at your marginal rates. However, this has been replaced by the indexation method, which means the value of the asset will be calculated at the time of the disposal at CPI, which means the inflation indexation rate. This will give you the new cost base of the asset to be deducted against the sales price, and whatever margin is left, whatever profit is left after applying indexation to the cost of the asset you purchased against the sell price of the asset, that would be taxed at a minimum of 30%, which means that the strategy of holding the assets till the financial years, having low income to not trigger the tax, is gone. So basically there would be at least a 30% minimum tax on the gains of the property. The government is calling it as taxing a real gain on the real investment, rather than just giving a flat 50% discount to all the investors. However, these rules will apply from 1st July 2027, which means the sales or the gains which are accrued from 1st July 2027 onwards will be subject to indexation. These rules will prevail until 30th June 2027, which means you have one more financial year to take care of your assets, or to decide about your assets, whether you want to sell it or you want to hold it. If holding it gives you the better result as compared to the CGT discount availing and then rushing it to sell before the 30th of June 2027. Basically, if you have a property which you are holding, say for example from last 10 years, but that property, the actual market value of that property on 1st of July 2027, or the time you're selling it, the indexation rate value of that property is higher, and your net profit from the property sale is lower, even after applying the minimum 30% tax, which means the indexation will work out better for you. It's all about the strategy. Basically, you have to create a strategy. You have one full financial year to develop a tax strategy for yourself, for your assets, and to make any decisions about the new investments as well. So that was all about the capital gains tax discount. This applies on individuals, partnerships and trusts, but this does not apply on SMSF. If you want more tips, if you want any specialized advice as per your circumstances, contact us and we are happy to help. Thank you so much.